English Espresso.
Hello everyone, welcome back to English Espresso. My name is Monika and I absolutely love teaching English. If your goal for 2026 is to speak English fluently, confidently, and without hesitation, then this practice is for you. Today's practice is one many of you really enjoy. It is on common idioms that native speakers use all the time. Today we are going to build a useful list of idioms that you can actually use in real life. You can take notes, screenshot them, or save this video or come back to it anytime. Alright, now before we begin, let me ask you something very important. Let me be honest. Most of learners join this shadowing English speaking practice with a lots of confusion. They mix up understanding English with speaking English. They see a shadowing sentence and think, oh, I understand this, so I don't need to practice it. And this is one of the biggest mistake learners make. Speaking with shadowing is like going to gym for your speaking muscles. It is not about understanding the sentence. In fact, understanding is not the goal here. Shadowing is about using your voice. It builds confidence and reduces shyness. Some sentences look very simple when you read them, but they are not simple when you say them out loud. Try it. Here we are training ourselves to be confident speakers. Now you need to understand and remember this. Your English fluency is not built by understanding only. It's built by speaking. So take a breath and let's begin. Listen and repeat. Sentence number 1. In 2026, it's time to turn the page. In 2026, it's time to turn the page. Amazing. Sentence number 2. I am ready to raise the bar with my English. I am ready to raise the bar with my English. Lovely. Sentence number 3. I won't sit on the fence about my goals anymore. I won't sit on the fence about my goals anymore. Great. Speak out loud. Sentence number 4. It's time to get the ball rolling. It's time to get the ball rolling. Excellent. Sentence number 5. I am learning English one step at a time. I am learning English one step at a time. Sentence number 6. I won't let fear hold me back. I won't let fear hold me back. Awesome! Don't give up. Sentence number 7. I am ready to take the plunge and speak. I am ready to take the plunge and speak. Sentence number 8. I won't sweep mistakes under the rug. I won't sweep mistakes under the rug. Brilliant! Sentence number 9. I am keeping my goals front and center. I am keeping my goals front and center. Superb. Sentence number 10. Speak with confidence. I am learning to think on my feet. I am learning to think on my feet. Amazing. Sentence number 11. I won't play it safe anymore. I won't play it safe anymore. Great. Sentence number 12. I am ready to set up this year. I am ready to set up this year. Sentence number 13. I won't lose sight of my goal. I won't lose sight of my goal. Sentence number 14. I am ready to go the extra mile. I am ready to go the extra mile. Sentence number 15. This is my time to make it happen. This is my time to make it happen. Well done, my amazing English learners. You did a great job. Even we can say we did a great job. See, that's how idioms are so powerful. Thanks for being here with me. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep watching English Espresso. Thanks for watching.